Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a long while. A lot of things have happened since my last video. I moved from where I used to live. I lived in a completely different country, so I haven't really been posting anything, but yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna try to start posting a little bit more consistently, but don't mind how I look. I literally just woke up, so I got on my big t-shirt and my lips is crusty and everything. But anyway, today's video, I'm going to be trying to revamp one of my old wigs. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this wig before. It's my orange wig, and this is how it looks now. Completely different from how it used to look. It's very dry. It's shedding a lot. It's tangled and everything. So I'm going to be doing the bulling method today to see if that brings my wig back to life, and I'm going to be showing you guys that whole entire process, so stay tuned. Okay, so my setup is a little bit different from how some people may have theirs. I'm going to be shampooing in this sink, and then in a separate pot, which I'm going to show later, I'm going to be deep conditioning the hair with the boiling water. So I have this tea tree mint shampoo from OGX, and I'm using that simply because that's the shampoo that I have on hand. Because when you use natural hair products, which is, my hair is natural, if you use natural hair products on your wigs and stuff, it'll make your hair like really heavy. And then I'm using this Whole Blends conditioner, and I also have some Aussie Mist conditioner under my sink that I'm also going to be using, and it's this Miracle Men conditioner. So I'm going to be mixing both of those in my pot later on. So just to show you guys the start of the process, I'm just dipping the hair in the water, getting everything saturated. You can see some color coming off because of how hot the water is, but this is pretty much what I'm going to be doing, and then I'm going to let it sit in there for about 10 minutes. And this is how the wig is looking, how the water is looking, and everything. So I'm just going to transfer this. So far the hair is still, when I brush it, it still feels really tangled, but it doesn't look bad, but you know, you can't really tell because it's still wet. So what I'm going to do is transfer this over to my boiling water. I already put my conditioner and everything in there, so I'm just going to slowly dip this in. And yeah. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and I'm just going to take this out without wrapping it. Okay. Alright, so it still looks like it might be tangled, but I'm going to comb it out and then come back and show you. My dog is sitting here waiting for me to finish so I can play with him so bad. Right, Kenzo? But anyway, so I have rinsed out the rest of the conditioner, and I've brushed through the hair, and honestly the hair definitely does feel softer, but if you look at my brush, there still was some shedding afterwards. So when this finished air drying, I'm gonna style it and everything, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the results are, and that's when I can really give my final verdict on if this boiling method actually works or not. Hey you guys, I'm back, and as you can see, the hair, it turned out bomb. Like, I was not expecting the hair to come out like this at all, simply because I already washed this hair twice previous to this video, deep conditioned it, all that, and nothing worked. So this was kind of like a last resort, simply because I'm not wearing the hair anymore. But the luster is back. It's so soft. It has plenty of movement and like just body to it, and it looks really good. Like, I'm really proud of the results. So I recommend, if you have a wig that's crusty, that's damaged, the ends are split, anything like that, that you try this boiling method, because it actually works, like no lie. Because I was definitely skeptical about trying it. I've seen videos of people saying, you know, they did the boiling method before, but I did not trust that, because it seemed like every video that I watched, most of the hair, it looked like they just ruffled it up or something to make it look like it was a mess, or like the bundle still looks soft and they boiled it. My hair was literally tragic. I could not fix that, and it was a mess. So coming from someone who is not lying, that boiling method, it definitely does something. But some specs about my hair that I have in my hair right now. This is from West Kiss Hair. That is an AliExpress vendor. It is, well, it's about, I don't even know what the length is now. It's 20 something inches now, but it was 26 or 28 when I first bought it. It's a 13x4 frontal wig, and I constructed this myself when I was back home. So yeah. And by the way, if you want to know some AliExpress vendors, let me know down in the comments, because I definitely have some AliExpress vendors that are they have good quality hair, especially for an affordable price. I know some people are skeptical about ordering from AliExpress, but I've been ordering from AliExpress for years now. That's where I get all my hair from, and I haven't had a bad batch of bundles yet. So yeah, I don't care if you like AliExpress hair or not. That's where I get my hair from, because I change my hair all the time, and the quality, as you can see, is good. So yeah, that concludes the video pretty much. That's all I really wanted to come back and tell you guys, just to show you how the hair looks now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys might want to see next. If you want to see more videos like this one, just give me some ideas, and tell your friends about me. Tell them to come to my channel, come watch some of my videos if they're interested in hair, lifestyle, or anything like that. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.